I really need your help right now. Eric Florup is a fantastic member of the community, and he has been struggling with cancer. They've recently stopped treatment on it. If you want to hear more about it, I'll leave a link to the GoFundMe on that. But we as a community want to get together and support Eric and his family. And so Charles McBride has put together a really cool tool chest. We are going to be raffling this off, and it is completely loaded with a full set of tools provided by different people all across the community. I have personally put a few in there, so they are things if you want to get a tool from my shop that I actually use on a daily basis. I have put several of those in there as well. Raffle tickets are only $5, and the cool thing is 100% of the proceeds are going completely to Eric Florup and his family. So if you put in a raffle ticket, you know that 100% of it is going there. All of the fees are being covered. We're going to be doing the drawing on Christmas Eve, and I'm going to be doing a live on the channel here. And with the live, we're actually going to be giving away several other things to other people who have gotten tickets. So you have the chance of winning just that chest or a few other things. You'll see there's a whole series of planes, 4, 5, 7, rip saws, back saws, panel saws, marking gauges, knives, squares, a combination plane, a full 45 in the box with all the irons, router planes, plow planes, mortising gauges, a whole pile of tools from Honeybrook, a block plane, card scrapers, sharpening tools, burnisher, keyhole saw, coping saw, sliding bevel, machinist tools, drivers, sharpen this book, honing guides, sharpening stones, carving mallet, dovetail markers, and more. So if you want to see all the information, there are links to it down below. So take a look at it, buy a ticket or 2 or 3 or 20, and support Eric and his family. Every little bit helps, and this is one of the great things about this community. We really do back and help our people. So think about buying a ticket, and who knows, you might be the lucky winner. I'm not going to end this one with a joke, but I am going to challenge you. It's Christmas time, so let's share the love and support and help one of our own. I think that'll do it for now, and until next time, have a wonderful day.